Ensure full membrane contact and remove any air bubbles or mortar in excess. Install the Floortec T20 pipe fitting to waterproof around the pipe connections. Open the ShowerTech linear package and check the contents. Read carefully and keep the installation manual. Select the tray according to the size of the shower area and verify that the components fit right. Enlarge one of the pre-existing holes on the tray to pass the no-hub coupler. There are 3 installation traces, 1 for central and 2 for off-center. For lengths greater than 24 inches, it is possible to widen the pre-cut hole in the shower tray. Press to ensure proper adhesion. Measure through the hole in the floor. Place the channel body inside the hole, making sure it is well inserted. Glue the pre-attached membrane around the channel on the shower tray, making sure to remove any air bubbles with a smooth trowel. We suggest to use Floortec uncoupling membrane for a state-of-the-art installation. Glue the Floortec and press well with a rubber trowel to ensure correct adhesion. Continue the waterproofing operation by installing all the Floortec accessories available. Overlap 2 inches membrane junction on the same surface and 4 inches on the one between walls and floors. The ShowerTech linear tray is already waterproof. It is important to apply the sealing strip overlapping the junctions. Bring the frame supports close to the tiles. With a cutter, cut the top of the frame supports slightly below the level of the tiles. Break the other supports in half and place them every 4 inches or 5 inches along the 4 sides of the drain. Install the tiles, positioning them against the lowest tabs of the frame supports. Proceed tiling the entire remaining floor with the Floortec system to avoid unpleasant lippage. Spread the tile adhesive on the walls and proceed with installing the tiles using Floortec system. Remove the construction plug and clean the drain of any dirt, making sure it does not fall in it. Place the frame by fitting it in the supports. Seal the tile joints. From the 3 sets of pedestals in the box of the cover, pick the ones with the correct height and fasten until the cover is leveled with the floor. The package includes an accessory to facilitate the removal of the cover.